My name's Sophie and I'm a filmmaker, and today I'm challenging you to make a vlog, telling us all about how your world has changed in the last month. But first things first, what is a vlog? A vlog is a film that you can make yourself at home, to tell your audience about your experience. You want to connect with your audience, which means looking and speaking directly into the camera. A vlog isn't as long as a film or a TV programme. Keep it short and snappy to keep your audience interested. If you have more than 3 points in your vlog, then it's probably a little bit too long. Make your vlog interesting to look at. Even though a lot of it is about what you're saying, the background tells a story too. Choose some key props that help tell us a little bit more about what you're saying. Be careful though, don't include anything in the background that you don't want to show. Tip number 1, keep your camera steady. If your camera's shaking or not focused on a particular character or point of action, the audience won't know where to look. So keep your camera still. Put your phone in selfie mode to help you make sure that everything's in shot and the camera is focused on you. Tip number 2, think about where your light's coming from. We'll be using natural light, but there are still a couple of things that we can do to improve our footage. Think about where your light's coming from. If you stand directly in front of your light source, with the light source behind you, then you're going to be in silhouette. Make sure your light is coming from in front to light up your face so we can see what you're saying. Film in one continuous take and make sure you plan your route so there's no accidents and you don't hurt yourself. Filming in one continuous take can be tricky, but that's where your planning comes in. And don't worry, if you make a mistake, just go for another take. Good luck with your vlog and make sure you check out the accompanying worksheet.